Okay, this is part 2, setting up your master slide on the PowerPoint Jeopardy game. Start by opening a blank presentation and making sure you are on the title slide layout as shown. Go ahead and type in the title of your Jeopardy game along with your name as the author. Okay, next you are going to set up the title master. Do this by clicking on the View menu at the top, View ribbon. And under the View ribbon, you will be able to click on the Slide Master command button. Right here. What the Slide Master will do is allow you to change formatting and add headers or footers to all of your slides all at once without having to do it on each individual slide. First step here for the Title Master is make sure that the actual Title Master is selected over here on the left side. It's the second option down. And you're going to start out by deleting the date box here to the left and the page number box here to the right. And in the footer box, you're going to go ahead and put in your period number, the month and year of your project. Okay, from here you should also edit the font that you would like to have on your title slide. Do not type into here, just edit the font. So if you'll highlight the font and choose a school appropriate font, you need to go back to the home ribbon and change font and color just like you normally would. I'm going to go ahead and pick something a little bit more exciting than Calibri. And again, make sure that it's school appropriate, so it shouldn't be all caps, all bold, or all cursive. It needs to be readable for the most part for your font. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and change font colors of a couple of different things here. Okay, the second thing you should do on this Title Master is to change the background, and you're going to insert your flag for your country. If you haven't already, go to the World Flag Book for your country, and you should be able to download and save the picture from there as a JPEG. To insert it, you go to the Slide Master ribbon, and the background dialog box launcher. Pop that out, and you should be able to then select picture or texture fill here underneath fill. And where it says insert from, go ahead and click on file and navigate to your My Pictures folder or wherever it is you've saved your flag, and it will go ahead and put the flag as the background. No need to click on anything else. Don't click apply to all, otherwise it will apply to all of your slide masters, which you don't want it to do. Okay, now based on this, you can see I chose a bad color for my name, so I'm going to go ahead and re-highlight that and adjust it to be a better color so that it can be viewed on my Title Master. Okay, once we have finished up on the Title Master, we're going to go ahead and click on the third option on the left side, which is the Slide Master. And whatever changes we do to this will show up on all of our remaining slides, our question slides, answer slides, things like that. You're going to change the background color for this, but again, you're going to need to choose a very subtle background. If you just choose background styles, there's some nice subtle colors here that will just kind of add a gradient. You can click on Format Background to do something more extensive. The final thing you're going to do is highlight all of these boxes at the bottom, the footer box, date, and page number. Delete those, and then you're going to reinsert a text box using by going to the Home tab and clicking on, or the Insert tab, and clicking on the text box option here. Draw a text box on the bottom left, and in that you're going to say Game Board, and then a text box on the right side, and in that you're going to say End Game. Okay, adjust these text boxes so everything is aligned up and centered and looks nice and even. The final thing that you're going to need to do is adjust your
Once you're in the Slide Master ribbon, go ahead
the
and click on the
Slide
Theme
Master
colors. The theme colors will allow you to change the hyperlink colors so that they don't conflict with your background. Take a look at the example that will pop up here in a second so you can see what your hyperlink colors will actually look like. Here you can see on the game board each of the numbers are different, are colored with the hyperlink color, and after a student clicks on a question, it will change to the followed hyperlink color. So you choose those colors, make sure that they're not going to conflict with your background. For this one, I would actually want to change my hyperlink color from blue so that it doesn't blend into my blue background. Once you're finished, go ahead and click on Close Master View. And when you have finished, go ahead and start Part 3.